Welcome to Redline Channel Automotive. We may make educated guesses about the external revisions and features of the 2026 Chery Tiggo 8 based on leaks and Chery's current design trends. Even though the company has not formally revealed the exterior specifications for the 2026 model year, the 2026 Chery Tiggo 8 is probably going to get some external upgrades based on the information that is already available from Auto Shanghai 2025 and other leaks. It will probably get a new, more contemporary grille design, like the leaked Tiggo 8 Plus facelifts, which may include a smoother, more rounded form or an updated dot matrix design. According to certain sources, the headlight arrangement has changed to a split design, with the primary lights below and V-shaped running lights DRLs at the top, joined to the grille by a black trim. In order to better complement the new grille and lighting, the front bumper design will probably be altered. Functional air curtains may also be added to enhance aerodynamics. Flush door handles, which offer a more contemporary and aerodynamic appearance, are shown on several leaked PHEV facelift vehicles. It will probably keep or improve upon the contemporary dashboard's user-friendly interface. It's probable that the usage of materials that feel high quality, including soft touch materials and metallic or chrome accents, will be maintained or perhaps improved. The 3-row seating arrangement, which can accommodate 7 passengers, will probably continue to be the norm for this family SUV. Chery will probably keep improving the seat's design to make it more comfortable, particularly on lengthy journeys. Higher variations are probably going to come standard with electric adjustability for the driver and front passenger seats. The dual-screen setup, which consists of a digital display for the instrument panel and a sizable infotainment touchscreen, will probably be kept or enhanced. The goal will be to integrate systems in a timely and seamless manner. Integrated navigation systems, compatibility for smartphone connectivity, and maybe other smart car connectivity capabilities will continue to be standard. The 2026 Chery Tiggo 8 is probably going to have a number of powertrain choices, including the recently unveiled hybrid model. The standard variant of Chery Tiggo 8 capacity, 1,598 cc. Maximum power, 186 PS 137 kilowatts. Maximum torque, 290 Nm. Transmission, most likely a 7-speed dual-clutch DCT. Front-wheel drive FWD. Engine, 1.6-liter turbo GDI. At a 0.0-liter turbo GDI engine with a 1,998 cc capacity. Maximum power of about 250 horsepower 184 kilowatts. A maximum torque of approximately 390 Nm. And a 7-speed dual-clutch DCT and front-wheel drive FWD are the features of the Chery Tiggo 8 Pro. Tiggo 8 CSH Super Hybrid Chery. It has a 1.5-liter turbocharged petrol engine with 2 electric motors, a dedicated hybrid transmission DHT, front-wheel drive FWD, and a combined system power and torque of approximately 346 horsepower and 525 Nm. It is claimed to be able to travel up to 90 kilometers in fully electric mode and up to 1,300 kilometers when using a combination of petrol and electric motors.